Hello, Dr. Dentists and my dear friends. I'm your host Nikhil Vash, the co-founder of TEN, the Education Network. In our previous videos, we have discussed the major advantages of doing medical PG from Germany. We have discussed the economical facts about Germany, and I have highlighted the academic factors, and we have compared the differences in the medical training pattern of Germany with reference to English-speaking countries like USA, UK, Canada, New Zealand, and Australia, and even India too. Now, today, let us discuss some of the favorable settlement options provided by Germany for doctors and dentists who are planning for employment, followed by immigration and settlement in Germany. If you are a non EU citizen, you need to have a visa in order to enter the Federal Republic of Germany. The purpose of your intended stay and your educational and professional qualifications determine which specific residence titles are options for you. For occupations like medical doctors, they suffer from shortages of skilled manpower. The salary level threshold is around 43,000 euros per year as in the year 2020. Talking about the blue card, a doctor starts his first job with temporary license on a blue card, which is like green card in the US. What I mean to say, doctors, once you go to Germany, you spend the first 7, 8, 10 months of time getting yourself prepared for the process. And once you pass the temporary license exam or the FSP exam and you start working on a temporary license as an assistant doctor, you come under the blue card category. The blue card will initially be valid for 2 years and is extendable up to 4 years. If you want to get a job that requires qualification training, a temporary residence through the EU Blue Card is possible under the Section 19A of the Residence Act. On EU Blue Card, one can stay in any European Union member states except for United Kingdom, Ireland, and Denmark for up to 90 days without a visa. The EU Blue Card also allows you to stay for up to 12 months in the third country outside the European Union. Another big advantage of the EU Blue Card is that it can be issued to doctors as well as medical specialists with a foreign degree without the consent of the Federal Employment Agency. Talking about the spouse visa, it is quite simple and easy to get a spouse visa for Germany. But we have got two situations in it. Let us discuss the situations one by one. In situation 1, if your spouse was issued a residence permit as a student, employee, or self employed person, and you were already married at that time, then you have the right to obtain a residence permit if you plan to stay in Germany for more than 1 year. And the second situation says that if you got married after your spouse received a residence permit, then you can always and only receive a residence permit if you meet the general requirements and your spouse has had a residence permit for 2 years. Family members of a blue card holder are allowed an unrestricted right to work in Germany. Not only that, spouses do not have to speak German to join their blue card holder in Germany. Let's talk about the third topic, which is nothing but PR or the permanent resident. Following 21 months of blue card, you are qualified for getting a PR or a permanent resident in Germany, provided you can show sufficient German language skills of level B1. A settlement permit known as PR will be issued after only 21 months, provided you have paid into the social security insurance for that period. Talking about German citizenship, to your surprise and to your knowledge, doctors, you can get a German citizenship before even finishing your medical specialty training. When you are living in Germany only as a permanent resident, you do not qualify as a citizen of Germany. That puts some restrictions in your status, and that is why so many permanent residents of Germany seek to get citizenship. Having German citizenship gives you rights and freedoms that non-citizens do not have. You will have you will have special privileges and opportunities as a German citizen. Some of the prominent ones which I can name are: you will have the right to vote, you will have the right of free movement, you will have the right of assembly and associations, you will have right for consular protection, you will anyhow have an unrestricted access to find a job in Germany, and last but not the least, you will have right to become a civil servant. But there are some requirements that need to be fulfilled by a doctor. For a doctor, if you have lived in Germany on a resident permit for 6 years, is the first requirement. Any doctor who has stayed in Germany for 6 years on a resident permit is entitled to get German citizenship. The second requirement says you must have proven your German language proficiency of at least level B1. The third requirement says you must be financially sound to support yourself and your family without any help from the state. You must be a law abiding citizen with no criminal record. You have to pass through a citizenship test, which is quite easy to pass. Once you have stayed in Germany for 6 years of time, passing this citizenship test is not a very big deal. And last but not the least, you should be ready to renounce any previous citizenships. And once you get German citizenship, you are entitled for a German passport. Now, talking about German passport is the strongest passport according to the Passport Index. According to the Global Passport Power Rank 2020, German passport is ranked number one in the world on their total mobility score of 135, giving it visa-free access to 101 countries and visa on arrival to 34 countries around the globe. That sounds really phenomenal. So, you must have understood by now, doctors, that settling down in Germany is quite easily achievable, and Germany is providing favorable environment for settlements for doctors and dentists as they need them. So, friends, as I usually say, challenges are a part of life. If you don't sacrifice for what you want will become the sacrifice. I repeat again, if you don't sacrifice for what you want will become the sacrifice. We are here to handhold and guide you for your endeavors and will iron out any hardships that may emerge. Still, doctors, if you've got any queries, any concerns, you can reach us back. The numbers have been put up on the screen. You can reach us at our office number. You can contact us directly on the numbers put up on the screen. And I do request you to follow us on Insta, Facebook, and LinkedIn. I'm Nikhil Vash signing off, and I thank you all for watching this video. Take care, best of luck, and goodbye to all of you. Bye bye. Love you.